Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog here with the scrapbook.com holiday parade hop. We're super excited because we have the wonderful new gift guide. If you haven't seen this already, there's some fab things in here. Freestyle foil quills, which you've seen on the channel, of course, the glass mat, which you've seen me working on here. The waffle flower media mat, which we reviewed earlier in the year. Purple tape, again, we're using that, so one of our favorites. Glitter and glimmer dots from Nuvo's in here. Paper nest trays, our make art station. Distress oxide sprays. So you'll find lots and lots of things that are my favorites in here. And today I'm working with some of the scrapbook.com exclusives, some of which are in the gift guide and some of which are brand new. So I wanted to show you how to create this gorgeous card here. Now this one I did was blue and pink, and we're going to do pink and blue. So I'm going to do it in the opposite colorway, and you're going to see how that changes up the project. So the first thing you want is a scrapbook.com card base. They come pre-scored, which is why they're my favorite. And I'm just going to use my bone folder here. This is the tonic one you can get at scrapbook.com, and we'll make sure there's links and everything for you. And then I have a piece of the Hero Hues blue cardstock that I've cut down to 4 inches by 5 1/4, and we're going to use our tape runner to pop that on here. Nice and simple. And these are refillable too. And I like to layer up 3 sides. And that pretty much means that your 4th side is going to automatically be nice and even. And then I have a piece of the white cardstock. So these are the Neenah note card fronts that you get from scrapbook.com. And what I've already done is I've stamped Believe in the Magic of Christmas all the way down from the Big and Bold Christmas stamp set using Ballet Slipper, which is one of their hybrid inks. They come in great layering combos, so you can use them with your layering stamps. And then they're hybrid inks, so they're not going to react with alcohol markers or watercolors. You can use any type of medium with them, which is fab. So I've stamped that all the way down. On this one I did it in the midnight blue, so you can see you kind of have different effects. Again, I'm going to stick this down, and you can see my first one went wrong, so I just stamped on the other side because I'm going to stick this down. Doesn't matter. Okay. Again, I'm going to layer everything up, and this second piece should be 4 inches. Sorry, 3 3/4 by 4 inches. I might have mismeasured slightly, but we still have a nice matting area, and that looks really pretty there, just with that little bit of a blue offset. And now we can add on our really pretty elements. So the first thing we took were these wafer thin metal die sets, scrapbook.com ones, and I used number 2 and number 3. So these 2 here. So I didn't do the smallest, I just used these. I cut them both out of white cardstock, but one of them I covered with the scrapbook.com double-sided adhesive sheet. So you just pop this in your cardstock, die cut it, it's going to die cut perfectly. And then I peeled off and I added on some glitter. I used the Nuvo Sapphire Blue glitter, which you can get at scrapbook.com, to create my own glitter paper in any, of course, shape or color that I wanted to. And you could do ombre effects, you could do all sorts of fun effects. Now this one here is the same style, the smaller size, and it's white, so it's just those Nuvo note cards that I cut up. And I'm going to take one of these scrapbook.com daubers, and I'm going to do it just over here so that I'm clean in my working area. And I want to make this nice and pink, so I put down a base coat, and I'm going to add a little bit more. And you can build up the color as much as you want to, and you can absolutely blend with hybrid inks too. So you're not limited on that. You can use these for all sorts of things. So I'm just building up that nice pink color. And so you can see on that. So now I have a pink piece of cardstock. If you wanted to, you could stamp on this, but it's entirely up to you however you want it. But these are really great because they've got that nice dome shape in there. And I'm trying to get less harsh lines with a dome shape. So now we can assemble this together. And for that, I'm going to use some of their foam. So these are their foam dots over here. They come in lots of different sizes, and there's lots of different options. So go check those out using the links below. I am going to, first of all, just add some foam on here and on here. And these are super strong. They're going to stick on top of the glitter. So I'm going to center this on my blue glitter star, like so. And now I'm going to add some foam on the back again. And of course you can use those offcuts of foam too if you want to. So these pieces here you can just use those like foam tapes. So you can cut those up, or you can do some really fun techniques. If you take this whole piece when it's empty and pop it on a piece of card and then add glitter over the top or foil, you created a really funky background. So lots and lots of things you can do there. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to pop it in the center of our card. Perhaps you want to add some Nuvo dots or glitter, but I kind of just like the simple element on that. You can see, but look at the difference. Like, I love pink. It's very, very light on here. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it clearer. But I love the pink on blue, but I also love the blue on pink. So we just use pink glitter and then the blue in the middle there. So you can really kind of change it up and decide what you want. As I say, if you want to stamp a sentiment in there, there's lots of different sentiments. And I love these. They're called Christmas Fun Card Sentiment. It's Christmas, eat, drink, be merry, repeat whenever necessary. The Christmas season is a clause for celebration. Christmas is the perfect reason to make cards for my favorite people. Congrats on making the list. And you know you're getting old when Santa starts to look attractive. And you can see they're just the perfect size to fit inside of your card. So we're going to do one of those. And I'm going to do that Christmas season is the clause for celebration. And of course you can use these on the outside too. You can use them on the inside. And I'm using the black hybrid ink for this. So we're just going to tap. And I'm going to be brave and not use a stamp positioner. But of course I would recommend using one at home. But we're going to hope that we did perfect. We did a good job. So that's all done there. So that's how quick and easy you can make some really pretty Christmas cards. Easy to make in bulk if you wanted to as well. And you know, this one is perfect for my youngest. She loves anything pink and sparkly. And then this one is probably a bit more maybe I'd give my eldest daughter because she likes the darker colours. So it's perfect that I could have two matching cards but in alternate colours. I also wanted to show you that the piece you cut your stars out of, which for me were these two, you can make into an easy shaker card. Just add some acetate behind it, add some maybe like Nuvo stars, or I've done the gold dots on here. I then daubed this background using my same dauber and the same inks, and this is the green hybrid ink on here. Pop some coloured cardstock behind, and now I have two super simple poppy Christmas cards from my waste as well, or anything that normally would have gone in the trash, but you can turn those into cards as well. So thank you so much for joining me as part of this holiday parade. Be sure to check out the next stops as well. Check out the gift guide. It'll all be linked in the blog post below. You can find out more information down there, and everything we've used in today's video will be down there as well. So thanks for joining me here at Hedgehog Hollow. Don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, all those fun things, and I'll see you again very soon for some more crafting inspiration. Bye!